Huzzah! We are there. All right. So we are looking for angles now this time when we are solving this triangle. Okay? It's a little bit different. Actually, not too different, but because we have all of our sides, we can still use the same formula to find our angles. So let's find angle C first. So I'm going to use this formula. Okay, just like before. What is C? What's A? Hey, Joe. Thank you. 20. What's B?
15.
Thank you. Minus 2, 20, 15. Cosine C. Okay? This time we're looking for the angle. What is 8.3 squared?
68.89.
Thank you.
This is some deja vu.
Touch up now. What's 20 squared?
400.
15 squared?
25.
And what is 2 times 20 times 15?
600.
Now, you cannot add 400 and 225 and subtract it from 600 to get one number cosine C. You cannot do that. Because that 600 is attached to the cosine. But what you can do is add these together. What is that? 625. And so now we can solve this like just a regular equation. Subtract 625 from both sides. What is that? Nope. What's 68.89 minus 625? 0.11. And then we're going to divide by negative 600. And then we have to do the inverse. And what do you get for C?
22.1.
22.05, so that would be 22.1. All right? You can use even log cosines to find your angles. Let's find the next angle. Let's find angle A. I strongly suggest you to use the law of cosines because if you use the law of sines, there's a potential for you to run into an issue. Okay? But if you keep it consistent, then you'll never have to worry about that issue. Let's set it up. I'm going to find angle A next. So I'm going to plug everything in using the formula. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine A. Sorry. I meant BC cosine A. So that's 400 equals 225 minus 249 cosine A. Going to add these two together. I'm going to subtract 293.8 from both sides. That gives me a 106.11. Divide. And the last thing we need to do is what? What's the last thing you need to do to find the angle?
Inverse.
You got to do the inverse of cosine. So when we take the inverse, see if I can change colors. What is A? 0.22. And then last but not least, we can add those two angles up, subtract it from 180, and we'll get 42.7. So that's 180 minus 22.1. So yes, it is a little bit of a longer process, but you avoid any potential issues that could come up.